What's the meaning of beggar? Beggar. Beggar.
Beggar. Beggar. A beggar is a person who survives by asking for money or goods from strangers or passers-by. They are often homeless and live in poverty, relying on the generosity of others to meet their basic needs. Begging is a form of survival for those who have no other means of support. Beggars can be found in many parts of the world, and they often face discrimination and stigma due to their socioeconomic status. While some people may choose to beg as a means of livelihood, many others are forced into begging due to circumstances beyond their control, such as poverty, disability, or lack of education and job opportunities.